Hey viewers, welcome to my channel. Hope you all are well. So very delightful good morning to everyone. So today I wanna reveal something like nowadays why I am busy and why I wasn't making any kind of video and why I am not capable to talk with people. Okay, so I wanna share you each and everything. So, why I am not capable to talk with people, and lots of people really they are angry with me because nowadays I am busy. So I want to share you a story. Now whatever I'm saying, I tell you like a story. Okay. So when pandemic was started, okay, so that time, in pandemic I lost my job because I am a teacher and I'm also fashion designer student. So that time what happened when pandemic got started, so I lost my job. And also because of I'm surviving in this my institute and everything I'm doing by the I'm really depend on my job, like my teaching job, because in my family, like they are not supporting me while something about money. Okay, because that time my parents think about me, that girl don't wanna do anything. So that's why my father told me, Vasha, first you have to do job, and after that whatever you want you do. Okay, so I said to my father, okay, I will definitely do anything, like whatever I can and I am capable. So that time, so when I lost my job, so I was thinking that time, Vasha, what you have to do next and how can you survive in this modern era, because you haven't job, you are not capable to do anything, and you also haven't any skill. Yeah, like you are capable to you are good in creativity, but how can you manage, like how can you earn money and how can you join again, like continue your institute and your fashion designing. Okay, so in that time I wasn't capable to do anything. So I saved some money when I was doing my job. So at that time I saved some money. So I was thinking about that time, Vaisha, what you have to do next. So I have really a lots of fear about English. So in that lockdown period, I saw on YouTube people giving, like online classes. So that time I thought, why Varsha, you are not capable to join that institute. You have to join because you have a little bit amount and you are capable to do this thing. Okay. So that time I was thinking, and what I think, I suddenly, I take action and I continue. I really continue my classes. So I took it that classes, online spoken classes. Mr. Prakash Singh Azad, he is really a great teacher and he taught me a good thing. And also he taught me, not he only not taught me how to speak English, but he also taught me, how to become confident and how to manage your problem and your obstacles. So after that, when I started my YouTube journey, so that time I also wasn't capable to speak good English. But I think, Varsha, if you want to do, like if you want to speak this language, so you have to create your own environment. So I created my own environment and I also created my YouTube channel. Okay, but that time I also wasn't capable to earn money. And after that I started to teach, I started to taught children's. But that money is not enough for me to join my institute. So what I have to do because nobody supported me. So I stay at home, and after that I was thinking like, Varsha, what you have to do? You have to do something if you want to survive, if you want to continue your fashion designing course, and if you want to do anything. So, I continue my journey before 7 and 8th month to learn this language to enhance myself. But, you know, that thing really gonna help me. I got a lots of confidence, but yet I'm not capable to earn money. So before 1 month ago, my 1D, and she is also, like my fashion designer. She is also fashion designer student, but I called her to D. Okay, so she suggested me, Varsha, like you have a lots of skill, so why you wasn't, learn, why you wasn't learning DST, means garment construction. It is very good for you, and it give you a it's really give you help while to earn some money, and after that you are capable to, like join institute. So that time I was thought, yeah, that is good thing. Why I'm not capable to think like this? So I started to join some boutique. Okay, that time I was join boutique, but that boutique, first I have to pay them, and after that they teach me. So I paid them, but mm they not give me a lots of knowledge. They really doesn't give me a lots of knowledge, and I didn't learn so many things, but yeah, little bit, you know things I learned there. I learned how to stitch something, and I saw there a lots of people come and they make designer clothes. So I learned something there, and after that, my one auntie, she suggested me about one teacher, and she only taught girls for, garment construction, so pattern making. So I said, okay, what and she also, you know get a very less of fee. I have to pay I have to pay her, and after that I'm capable to join his like his classes, sorry, her classes. So I joined there, and now I'm capable to earn little bit money. Okay, but that money also wasn't, like, I'm not capable to join my institute, but I wanna, and I got some hope, little bit hope, like, yeah, after only 3 and 4 months I'm capable to join my institute. So that is the reason, like, I want to focus on my, pattern making, because that will really give me help to earn money, and also to survive, like, I want to continue my fashion designing course. So that will give me some little bit hope, and like, if I earn money, so I'm capable to join there, because, fee institute fee is not high, but the materials, fashion designing materials and stuff is really too costly, and I'm not capable to afford that all stuff and materials. But I have a lots of courage and enthusiasm. I want to do fashion designing, because I think I'm only for fashion designing, maybe, I think. Okay, so I also want to continue my this journey. I want to teach people how to speak English with confidence, not only just like a, this is not, this is not any kind of subject and a grammar. This is a language, and now I'm thinking, like, I'm capable to, communicate with people, and I'm able to talk with them fluently and confidently. Yeah, sometimes we always neglect ourselves, like we can't believe us because of some issues, some environment, and some people told you, oh, you are not capable to do this thing and that thing. So we feel we are not unique and worthy. But I understand this thing. We are worthy, and we are capable to do each and everything whatever we want. Just first we have to take action, and first we have to find that type of sources, like they give you you know confident. And like you have to understand um your interest. Like if you know I'm good in this field, so you only have to go on that way, and after that you are capable to survive. You are capable to do whatever you want. Just first you have to understand yourself. So that is the thing today I want to reveal, because a lots of people, like, they are neglecting me, and they think like, I think maybe they are thinking that girl don't wanna continue this language. But I wanna continue this language. And today I said to myself, yeah, Varsha, you have to continue. Okay, you have to give yourself 10 minutes. So now I want to tell you all, like, I continue daily. Daily make video, and yeah, I'm learning each and everything. Like, I'm listening song, videos, and reading books which I have. But I also want to buy something. I want to gain a lots of knowledge about this language, because of you know I want to also share you one thing. I have little bit fear about like convince people. Like, how can I convince them, and how can I tell my story them, like I have this type of problem. So that's why I'm not capable to do. Because sometimes people they doesn't understand you. They don't wanna also understand you. Like, why they understand you if they haven't any kind of reason? Okay, so first really we have to understand this all thing. So that's why today I want to reveal this all thing, like you understand my feeling and my like which type of things and problem and obstacles I have. But now I'm surviving. So bye bye friend, we will meet next day. And if you like my video, so please share, comment, and subscribe my channel. Bye bye.